Hello my dear children. So let's go for numeracy workbook today. Let's open the page number 5. Okay. So big and small. Do you all know what is big and small? Do you know? Okay, that's fine. Then let us start. Tick right the big thing and circle the small thing in each set. So each set. So how many sets are there? 1 set, 2 set, 3 set, 4 set, 5 set, 6 set. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many sets are there? 6 sets are there. So first write down the date every time. Then let us start. So tick the big thing and circle the small thing. So what you have to do, you have to tick the big and you have to circle the small things. Okay, so let's go for the first set. So what is there in the first set? Balls. What are there? 2 balls are there. So one is big one. So the first ball is big ball and this is small ball. So what we have to do for big things? We have to tick the big things. So tick on the big thing. Can you see? Yes, tick on the big thing. Circle the small things. So circle the small thing. So first set is finished. So let's go for the second one. So what is there? These 2 are fruits. We have fruits in the second set. So the watermelon and apple. So which fruit is big? Which fruit is big here? Is it apple? No, that is watermelon. Watermelon is very big and the apple is very small. So we have to tick the big and circle the small. So the second set is finished. Then go for third set. What is here? Toys, isn't it? So this is toys. So teddy bear and one girl toy. So which is the big here? Which one is big? Teddy bear is big or girl toy is big? Which one is big? Teddy bear. Teddy bear is very big and the toy is very small. Girl, this is toy. Okay, girl toy is very small. So circle the small one, tick the big one. So 3 sets are over. Then go for the next set. What is this? Vehicles. So in the fourth set we have vehicles. So bus is there, double bus, and this is bicycle. This is bicycle. Can you see? Yes. Bicycle is a big one or the bus is the big one? Which is the big one? Very good. Bus is very big. So tick the bus. And bicycle is very small. circle the small. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 sets are over. Finish it. So next go here. What is here? We have birds. We have birds in the fifth set. So which bird is very big? Hen is the big one. Hen is the big one. And this bird is very small. Sparrow is very small. Okay. So the next one is what we have? What we have? Cup. So this is the cup and this is the mug. So do you used to drink milk in this? Okay. Do you used to drink coffee and tea in this? Yes, very good. So in our house we use these things, no? So which one is the big? Which one is the big? The red color mug. This is the red color, no? And this is in black color. So this is very big. Very good. And this is small. So circle the small. Okay. So this is, we completed all the set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All the 6 sets are finished. This is how we have to identify the big and small. Big and small. Can you understand? Did you got it, children? Okay, that is really very good. Okay, take care. Bye. Thank you.